In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly send funds from your Stripe account to your Payoneer account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who regularly handles online transactions, mastering this process can be a great asset in managing your finances efficiently. So let's dive right in. First off, open your browser and navigate to Stripe's official website, stripe.com. Once there, look for the sign in option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Simply click on it to proceed. This will direct you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your email and password. Remember, it's always important to ensure the security of your login information, so make sure your password is strong and never share it with anyone. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the home section of your Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll gain an overview of your financial activities and available balance. The next step is to navigate to the Balance tab. This section will give you detailed insights into your funds and transactions. Now, you'll want to add your Payoneer bank account to Stripe. Find the option that says Add Bank Account. It may require a bit of scrolling or searching within the Balance section. Click on this option and Stripe will prompt you with the necessary details required for the transaction. At this point, you'll need to retrieve your bank account details from your Payoneer account. So keep your Payoneer account login information handy and make sure you enter these details accurately to avoid any discrepancies or delays. Once you have the bank details from Payoneer, return to your Stripe account and carefully fill out all the required fields with the information you've gathered. Double check to ensure every detail is correct. Things like routing numbers and account numbers are crucial for seamless transfers, so pay extra attention to these. After filling in all the necessary information, go ahead and click the Add Bank Account button. This action will securely link your Payoneer account to your Stripe account, enabling future transactions to occur more smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the process to send funds from your Stripe account to your Payoneer account. In doing so, you've enhanced your ability to effectively manage your finances across platforms. Remember, ensuring all details are accurate and securely kept is the key to maintaining a hassle-free experience. If ever in doubt, don't hesitate to consult Stripe's support for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your payment process.